Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today guys I'm going to teach you guys how can you create your own animation on Scratch. So let's get started with the video. So yeah guys, so I'm just going to teach you guys the basic of creating an animation on Scratch here. So first thing first, I'm going to talk about three of these blocks, which is when I receive, the message, broadcast, and wait. So these are, kind of like a block you need for animation. Actually, we use a lot. You need to use a lot of these things here. So you might have an idea what are these, but if you don't, let me just tell you what it is. So basically, broadcast message is basically like sending message. This is using words like, kind of like an advanced word, something like that. But I understand broadcast as like sending message, something like that. And like this block, something like that. So sending message, there should be when I receive. So this is a message and this is also a message. So now if I broadcast message 1, it will send this message to all the sprites that you create. But if the sprite have this event here, which is when I receive, if it's the same message as the broadcast, it would just run the script underneath. So for example, let me just do this and then wait for a couple seconds. Oh, I know. Wait for a couple of seconds and then change color effects, something like that. Let me just clear all the effects. So there we go. So let me just tell you step by step what like does this script do. So first is clear the graphic, wait for 1 second, and it broadcasts message 1, and then there's when I receive message 1, which is the same message as as when I receive here. Change the color effects by 25, something like that. Also keep in mind this can be in the another sprite. Let me just prove you. I'm lazy to draw, so I'm just going to, you know, get some sprite here. Let me just get. Let's just get this duck. I don't care about the sprite. There we go. Now we got this duck here. So now if I put it here, and then I'm just gonna remove this one. So now as you can see, so it's working every single sprite. It can be the sprite that broadcasts the message. It can be the another sprite that have nothing to do with broadcasting the message, something like that. So now we know about two of these. Actually, we use a lot of them. So now let's go ahead and create the real animations, shall we? So now the animation doesn't need to be like, your character doesn't need to be like freeze. You can like do like mouth effects, like speaking effects, something like I'm not a very good drawer, so something like that. Yeah. So it can be like two costumes, something like that. And now let's go ahead and create an animation here. So I'm just gonna use this cat and the dog. So first the cat. So let's say there we go. Something like that. And then broadcast. So I'm just going to create a new message called hello, something like that. And then I'm just going to go to doc here. I'm just going to use this script here. So now it broadcasts the message. So let's go to doc here, and then when received, just change this to hello because it's the same broadcast message, something like that. And now you can just say something like play sound. Wait, what happened? Oh, it have this don't sound. Something like that. Okay, there we go. So hello, play the sound duck until done. So now if you want more message, you just keep broadcasting, but it must not be a same message, otherwise it's just run the script. But if you want it, that's fine. Okay, so I'm just gonna name this like replied, something like that. And then when reply, let's say what are you saying? Something like that. Say something like that, and you can just like do more. So actually, I'm going to create a animation. So yeah, I'm just gonna speed this whole project up, something like that, and I'll see you like for a while. I mean, like while I'm just creating an animation, for example. Okay, so this is, like the whole process is just like a little while here. And here's the final result in 3, 2, 1, run. There we go. So that's how you create an animation. Also, I have a challenge for you. Make sure you create like the animation and then send the link of your project. I mean, your animation, something like that. That's just some easy challenge, something like that. Just create a short animation. It could be a long, long, long animation, or it can just be like this random conversation, like I do. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe because we're almost at 100 subscribers. Join my Discord server if you have any questions with like anything about it. So also follow me on my Twitter account. I just gonna end the video there, but yeah, I forgot about my Twitter. So yeah, guys, keep learning Scratch and like keep learning programming because it's cool. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.